How to read charts on KuCoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to explain how to read charts on KuCoin in a very simple way. Open up your KuCoin application or website and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Markets tab. Inside the Markets section, choose the coin or trading pair you want to study, tap on it, and it'll open up the chart page. Now you'll see candlestick chart, which is the most important part. Each candle shows price movement for a specific time, like a minute, hour, or day, and so on. If the candle is green, it means the price went up during that time. If the candle is red, it means the price went down. Each candle has two parts: the body, which shows the opening and closing price, the wicks or shadows, which shows the highest and lowest price reached. Next, look for the time frame option. You can switch between 1 minute, 15 minutes, hours or day, or even weeks. For beginners, it is best to start with 1 hour or 1 day charts to understand the overall direction. You can also add simple indicators like moving average or RSIs, but at the beginning just focus on the candle direction and trends. So that is how you have successfully learned how to read KuCoin chart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.